Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tyler from JLMI, and classes for July are officially done. It's a great success, so why don't you take a look and see how things were. And now, how about a few words from some of our students?
This was great for pretty much any level, anyone who's interested in media and Japanese put together. It was just really refreshing and nice to have the kind of experience, so I recommend it for sure.
I think through media, it's a pretty huge platform, so I was a little nervous. I wasn't sure how to approach it, but seeing how accessible it is, I think it's really cool to see how simple one could really project and convey their thoughts to someone else.
I think any person who is interested in anime in general would be really interested in this class. Even person who don't know about karaoke, because from my experience I've seen that people that don't know about karaoke, Japanese karaoke, tends to be the one that enjoy karaoke the most.
Well, the most interesting is that they know how to catch the attention of the students.
We all just had so much fun. It was a total blast, it really was. And we, in fact, actually have another round of classes coming up in November. And so be sure to periodically check us out on Facebook and YouTube as well. And be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more on anything and everything Japanese pop culture.